Moving atoms in their masses, shooting stars above a sky made up of static. All their secrets an enigma, but the answer's in the light where it all became reflected. Now the memory's a stigma, all this energy compacted. A constellation of charisma hidden in us, all was with us. Now we know that we're galactic.